Hey YouTube. I'm doing another review on the Lego Technic supercar with power functions. This time I made the I can't really the V model. The Lego Hot Rod. It took me I started around 4:30 and ended about 9 o'clock, so about a 4.5 hour build, and heck, it's worth it. I'll be doing a close-up on the model right now. Here's the model. Don't mind that, that's my laptop, but here is the model. It's got a V8 engine. It's only got 2 gears, convertible, and or let's see what it is in action. Frontwards moves the convertible top. That moves the suicide doors. Close up. This opens up. So overall, this is a pretty good build, but there are some downsides to it because look how low to the ground it is. It's too low to the ground, so the suspension will not budge. And another downside is I don't like these seats. They could have kept the seats from the supercar. They should have, because that was a lot better. And the steering does not work, but this knob turns the wheels. Overall, great build. Overall, it's kind of like a great build. Nice design. How they designed it, I'm really not sure how they made a car like this. I can't understand it, but hey, at least I designed it. Next week or next video, I'll be trying to design a car, or almost like the supercar, but this is gonna be different. It's gonna have a V8 engine, actually 2 V8 engines in the back, or one in the front and one in the back, but there's gonna be 2 differentials that go from the front wheels to the engines, and it's gonna have a gear shifter lever. So overall, great build. Recommend it to anyone. Ages 11 through 16. I'm 17, and it's a great build. And there goes my stomach because I had some tacos tonight. Yum. Well, till next time, take care.